think he's supposed to. That thing could be hilarious.
I'm trying to do another one, and now you're still talking.
What?
So much for a peaceful afternoon on the dock. Uh-oh. Gang fight. And then for some reason we've got this goose that's piggybacking off of everybody. Dane, stop. They're just going to hear how moronic you are. Goofball. Hey, ducks. Duck, duck, goose. This poor lonely goose is back again. Hey, buddy, where's your family? Aww. You just hanging out with the duck family? Sweet little lonely goose. Wonder if that goose could be related to Harold. Oh, oh, hello.
Who's that?
Oh, they're jumping on the dock, honey. They're trying to.
You got it?
Oh. Come on, everybody. Here they come. I don't have any food, but y'all are welcome to like come hang out. Hey, Goosey. Hi, Goosey. Oh, Goosey is thinking I'm giving food, and it's blind in one eye. Oh, honey, I wish I had some food for this goose. I'm sorry, goose. I'm being invaded. Do we go get some bird seed for the goose? They're all jumping on the dock. And he's blind in one eye. Oh. Yes. I held my hand out and he reached for food. I don't have any food though. Everybody, hello. They're so cute. Hello. There's a woman 2 houses over who's been feeding them.
Oh, really?
Yep. I don't know if she's feeding them bread. You're not supposed to feed them bread. Goosey. Goosey goosey. I'm sorry. I don't have any. I've got some bird seed, but I gotta go get it. Come here, bud. Oh, sweet goose. Go bring me some bird seed for the goose. He's all by himself and he's blind. Go get me bird seed.
Don't have any more.
Can you get it out of the feeder? Well, what can he eat? Can they eat the nutritious crackers with nuts in them? He wants something to eat.
Oh, I'm sure they fed pretty well.
He's all by himself.
Someone's been treating them.
Dude, try again. There you go. Oh! Okay. Hi, guys. Oh. They're coming to you, Dana.
Uh-oh.
This one's trying to get up. There you go. Good boy. Here they come. Look. Meanwhile, poor Goosey. Isn't there something I can feed him? Poor little man. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. I know. I'm sorry.
Boy, they're bold, aren't they? Whoa.
I didn't get a good shot of him, but the goose is like right here and he wants food. Oh, what about you guys? What do you want? Oh, honey, I think the goose is coming up. Or he's thinking about it. Huh?
Said there's 12. 12 ducks.
Yeah. It's two families mixed together. Oh, I'm sorry, Goosey. Yes, sir.
Surrounded by ducks.
I love it when they run. Where you going? I just coughed, man. Give me the bird seed from the bird feeder. He really wants food. He's gonna find a way. What? Did you say come home? Nah. I want to get you some food, duck. I mean, goose. I do. I want to get you some food. I like you. I'm sorry you're blind. Poor thing. Are they coming back too? Peace out.